Pickled cucumber, crusty French baguette, crunchy slaw, and a juicy steak. It's got to be our take on banh mi. Let's cook. Let's start with a quick pickled cucumber. For the pickle, slice roughly half a cucumber. Next, take a teaspoon of salt and black peppercorns, 150 ml of white wine vinegar, 75 ml of golden syrup, 2 or 3 bay leaves, 1 chopped chili, and about 150 to 200 ml of cold water. Mix together in a bowl, then add the cucumber, cover and place in the fridge. This can be done in advance and adds a fresh, crunchy zing. To make the slaw, thinly slice a quarter of a red onion, half a red cabbage, and a bunch of fresh coriander. Mix together with a handful of bean sprouts and a scatter of grated carrot. For the perfect blushing, juicy steak, rub one side with extra virgin olive oil, turn and season the other side with cracked black pepper. Into a dry smoking wok, place the steak oil side down and cook for 2 minutes. Turn and cook for a further 2 minutes, then sear the edge. Remove from the wok and allow it to rest for 4 to 5 minutes. Just before serving, thinly slice to reveal a beautiful pink medium to rare. Slice open 2 crusty demi baguettes. Divide and layer the lovely pink steak on the base. Then generously drizzle over Taishon's Korean sauce. Next, add the slaw and finish with pickled cucumber and extra chili to taste. Vietnamese banh mi, done the Korean way with Taishon. So good.